Yes. Good evening, Vamshi. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, all. Yeah. So let's see this. Let's see the first problem. Let's see the first problem of today's class. See the first problem of today's class. Can you go ahead? Which one of the following is false? Can everyone go through it? Today's class first problem. Which one of the following is false? Please let me know audio video okay or not. Let me know audio video okay or not. First let me know audio video okay or not. Today's class first problem. Yes, you can happily start. You can happily start. Yeah, let me start now. Today's class first problem. Yeah, after class over, you can WhatsApp me. I will help you. Right? This is my WhatsApp number. You just ping me. I will help you. I will call you. I will talk. I will call you and I will talk. This is a WhatsApp number. Just message me. Whatever doubts are there, you can discuss with us. Right? Accordingly, I will suggest you. Yeah, let's start now. Today's class first problem. Yeah, what is the answer of this? Which one of the following is false? Which one of the following is false? A basic block is a sequence of instructions where control enters the sequence at the beginning and exits at the end. I think everyone knows it is a true statement. It is a true statement. Available expression analysis can be used common sub-expression elimination. Right? So please verify this is also true. Google it out, you will find out. Available expression analysis can be used for common sub-expression elimination. Please Google it out, you will see that. Next one, live variable analysis can be used for dead code elimination. That is also true. X is equal to 4 into 5, which is nothing but x is equal to 20, is example of common sub-expression elimination. No, it is not for common sub-expression elimination. It is, I think, constant folding. This is for constant folding. This is for constant folding. Live, name itself saying live variable analysis. Which variables are live? They will calculate. Those things which are not live, they are dead only. Because anyhow, we cannot use them. Live variable analysis can be used for dead code elimination, of course. When you find out these are live, remaining things are dead only. So you can easily eliminate the dead people. Those things which are live you take, remaining things you can neglect. X is equal to 4 into 5, it will become x is equal to 20. Means you compressed that means you replaced the constant expression by constant. This is called constant folding. This is called constant folding. Which one of the following is false? In all the things, right? D is false, ABC is true. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Remember, if anyone say, sir, I am getting less marks, don't worry about the marks. Please improve. Please improve. In this channel only, with the toppers, I kept one video also. You please go through it. You please go through it. Right? In the same channel, ExamPrepTool YouTube channel. ExamPrepTool YouTube channel, I kept one video with the toppers. So how they managed it. So you can see that you will get the clarity. One or two doubts are there, you can see that video, they will give the clarity. Toppers also got less marks only in the test series. In the test series, toppers also got less marks only. 30 marks, 40 marks, like that toppers got. Toppers got test series 30 marks or 40 marks or 50 marks. So, right, mostly you are also getting similar. Please keep on improve. You are also getting similar. Please keep on improve. Yeah, let's move to next problem. Yeah, what is the answer of this? Which one of the following never be a token? Which one of the following never be a token? Everyone try. Which one of the following never be a token? Everyone try. Which one of the following never be a token? Yeah, I think everyone know, right? It cannot start with the digit. It cannot start with the digit, because if it is starting with a digit, you don't know what it has to do. So this is a variable name. This is a variable name identifier. It's identifier. It is also identifier. It is also identifier. This is starting with a digit, so it is not identifier. You may say that it is a constant. If it is a constant, what is beside? If it is a constant, total should be constant. So when you say starting with 2, so it is not a variable, it is not a function, means it is not an identifier. So it will be a constant. Then constant should be followed by again constant. Then what it is? So that is a problem. So answer is going to be, I think, can never be a token. A is a token, B is a token, C is not a token. So C will be the answer, everyone know. C will be the answer, everyone know. Yeah, let's move to next. Yeah, what is the answer of this? If T1 is equal to A star, T2 is equal to BB star, T3 is equal to AA star, BB star, right? This is the input. This is the input, right? So how many tokens, right? So how many tokens? This particular input string contain how many tokens? Count number of tokens possible for the given input. Try properly. Count number of tokens possible for the given input. T1 is equal to A star, T2 is equal to BB star, T3 is equal to A star, B star. Count the number of tokens possible for the given expression. Check everyone, check everyone. J is saying that answer is 3. J saying answer is 3. Let's see how many people will give. If T1 is equal to T1 is equal to A star, T2 is equal to BB star, T3 is equal to AA star, BB star, for the given input, how many tokens possible? For tokens possible. Yeah, I think internet is keep on fluctuating. So let's give 1 minute. I will make yeah, I think 5G I kept, but it is having some problem. Yeah, sorry for inconvenience. Sorry for inconvenience. Now I think audio video is okay. Now let me check. Remember, when you say token, right? When you say token, if you say token, longest matching. If you say token, longest matching, I think AA star, BB star. If you see the possible strings for this, AA star, BB star, the possible strings are minimum is AB, minimum AB followed by double A followed by B, or single A followed by double B, or single A triple B, or triple A single B, or A double B. So like that, many are there. Many are there. Remember, longest matching. You cannot say matching. Longest matching. So if you go to the T2 saying that single B, double B, triple B, 4Bs, and so on, and so on. If you go to the first one, T1, if you go, I think epsilon, single A, double A, triple A, and so on, and so on. Now I want the longest matching. If you observe clearly, T1, T2, T3, I think T3 is giving the larger one. Let me try now. double A, double A, triple B. Double A, triple B, you can take from T3 first because the longest one. If you take T1, only double A will come. If you take the first T1, double A only. If you take the T2 double, right, something like a triple B, but starting is I want double. Starting A's I want. Starting A's T1 or T3 can give. Starting A's will be given by T1 or T3. So some people are asking, why don't you take a T1? If I take a T1, I will get smaller. Only double A I will get. If I take a T3, I can get the double A triple B. Double A triple B I can get from the T2. T2 or T3? T3. Yeah, that is okay. Longest one I want, I take it. Next one, single A, double, triple B. Single A, triple B, again T3. Afterwards, only single A, T1. Only single A, T1. So the possible token stream is this one. How many tokens are there? 3 tokens. 3 tokens. T3, T3, T1. Count number of tokens possible for the given input expression. So 3 tokens are there. The token stream is T3, T3, T1. Let me know if anyone having any objection. Anyone having any objection, please let me know. Little doubt also. Reddy sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. Don't sit like a statue. Those people who are sitting like a statue, don't sit like a statue. Doubt there, ask me. Sir, while tokenizing, this string is there. Backtracking. Jay, I didn't get what you were asking. Jay, I am not getting what you were asking. Can you repeat again? Can you repeat again? So remember only one thing. In the tokens, just remember only one thing. Token is nothing but finding tokens is nothing but finding tokens is equal to longest matching. Longest matching. Finding tokens is nothing but longest matching. Finding tokens is nothing but longest matching. Careful. Someone is saying, is there backtracking? There is no backtracking because at every character they will verify. In the DFA construction, there are so many possibilities. Right? So whichever path is correct, it will go in one path. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So on the S5 state, A coming, go to one path. On S5 state, B coming, some other path. On S5 state, C coming, some other path. So, right, lexical analyzer will see which state it has to go, depending upon how many possibilities are there. So, on the S5 state, A coming, go to S6 state. On the S5 state, B coming, go to S7 state. On the S5 state, C coming, go to S8 state. Like that, it will select. Simply, tokenization purpose, we are using a DFA. Tokenization purpose, we are using a DFA, means regular expression. There is no backtracking because not required. Just checking the side-by-side characters only. No backtracking required. Checking side-by-side character. So no backtracking required. Right. Perfect. Perfect. Now let's go to next problem. Yeah. Can you see this? Find the number of tokens in this. Can you go ahead? Suppose in this input string, many tokens possible. Find out how many tokens possible. Let us assume no error. Assume no error. Assume no error. Find number of tokens. Yeah, please go ahead. Find number of tokens. Assume no error. Everyone try. Yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening. Find the number of tokens. Everyone can try this. How many tokens are there in this? Find the number of tokens. Everyone, how many tokens are there? Check once. Everyone, check once. So if you see longest matching you want, I think this is going to be a identifier, one token. So double plus is going to be a unary incrementation. Plus is a addition. So triple B is a identifier. So I think star is a multiplication or pointer, whatever it is. So these are three. So it is an identifier. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 tokens. Totally 8 tokens. If anyone having small doubt also, let me know. Totally 8 tokens. Longest matching we want. We want longest matching. If anyone feel, sir, I have some doubt, you ask me, I will help. If anyone says some doubt is there, please let me know, I will help you. Anyone say, sir, I have this doubt, you ask me, I will help. Find the number of tokens. Can we move to next problem? J, can we move to next problem? J, can we move to next problem? Assume no error. Number of tokens, how many in this? Think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 tokens. Totally 8 tokens. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Let's move to next. Let's move to next. Yeah. So can you see this? Then find token sequence generated for the string triple B A B triple A. Can you find out? Almost similar. Can you try this? Then find the token sequence generated for the string triple B A B triple A. Triple B A B triple A. Find out what is the token sequence. Remember longest matching. Remember longest matching. Everyone. Longest matching. If T1 is equal to AA star, T2 is equal to BB star, T3 is equal to AA star, BB star, then find token sequence generated for the string triple B, A, B, triple A. So let's find out. Let's find out. So as I mentioned, this is minimal single A, double A, triple A, and so on. If you see this one, I think minimum is single B, double B, so triple B, and so on. If you see this one, right, minimum is AB, followed by A double B, followed by A triple B. Right, next one, double AB, so double A double B. Next one, triple A single B, and so on. Right, so you have to find out longest matching. Remember, starting with B required. Starting with B only T2. Starting with B only T2. So I think this is T2. Right, next one, A followed by B's. A followed by B's. I think A followed by B's, I think only T3. followed by triple A, followed by triple A. I think T1. Check if I done anything wrong. T2, T3, T1. Longest matching. If two people will match, longest matching you take. Suppose isn't that AB there, T1 also matching, T3 also matching. At the AB, T1 also matching, T3 also will match. But I will go to T3 only because the longest matching. If you go to T1, right, then what will happen is only A I will take, B will go to I think T2. So at the T3 place, I have two choices. I can take T1, I can take T3, but longest matching is T3. Longest matching is T3, so I will go to T3. I think everyone is comfortable. So this is the token sequence. This is the token sequence. Yeah, fine. Can you see this? Which one of the following statement is correct? Yeah, can you go ahead? Which one of the following statement is correct? Correct, they are asking. Which one of the following statement is correct? Yeah, check one time. Which one of the following statement is correct? Yeah, check one time. Which one is correct? Everyone try. Yeah, everyone try. Which one of the following is correct? Static allocation of all data areas by compiler makes it impossible to implement recursion. Static allocation of all data areas by compiler makes it impossible to implement recursion. 2. Automatic garbage collection is essential to implement recursion. 3. Dynamic allocation of activation records is essential to implement recursion. 4. Both heap and stack are essential to implement recursion. These are the options. Right? You see the options also. Can you try everyone? Can everyone try? What is the answer? Can everyone try? What is the answer for this? Yeah, let me verify. Yeah. So I think everyone know, heap and stack are essential to implement recursion. Heap also, right? Heap will implement the recursion, stack also. Both heap and stack are essential to implement recursion. So can you say, is it right or wrong? I think only stack is enough. Both heap and stack are essential to implement recursion. No, only stack is enough. I think the fourth option is wrong. He's asking which one of the following is true. He's asking which one of the following is true. Both heap and stack are essential. No. Only stack, I think recursion okay. Only heap also recursion is okay. Both are essential, wrong. Dynamic allocation of recursion, dynamic allocation of activation record is essential to implement recursion. Dynamic allocation of activation records is essential to implement recursion. Next one, automatic garbage collection is essential to implement recursion. Automatic garbage collection, no. Static allocation of all data areas by compiler makes it impossible to implement recursion. Static recursion not possible, true. Dynamic allocation of recursion, or dynamic allocation of activation record is essential to implement recursion. Okay, fine. So I think 1-3. In the available one, better option 1-3. D option. 1-3. D option. If anyone having any arguments, if anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Reddy sir, I don't agree. You ask me, I will help you. Both heap and stack are essential to implement recursion. Everyone try this. Small doubt also there, you can ask me. Both heap and stack are essential to implement. Dynamic allocation of activation records is essential to implement recursion. Dynamic allocation. Yeah, stack also dynamic allocation. See, only static is going to be static. Remaining is going to be dynamic, means runtime. Runtime allocation. So I think 3 is the correct option. I hope everyone is fine. In the available one, best one. D, fourth option. 1, 3, 1, 3. 1, 3, correct. Now go to this problem. Which one of the following is true? Which one of the following is true? Yeah, can you try this also? Try everyone. Which one of the following is true? Try all these 4 statements, which is true. There exists parsing algorithm for some programming languages whose time complexities are less than big O of n cube. A programming language which allows recursion can implement it with static storage allocation. A programming language which allows recursion can implement it using static storage allocation. Recursion, static, no relation. So wherever 2 there, cancel. Wherever 2 there, cancel. Next one. No L-attributed definition can be evaluated in the framework of bottom-up parsing. No L-attributed definition is in the framework of, right? Everyone know. L means both synthesized also, inherited also. When you say L-attributed definition, it is having both synthesized also, inherited also. If it is having synthesized, you have to go bottom-up parsing. So no L-attributed, no. There are some L-attributed which can be done in the bottom-up parsing. Code improving transformation can be performed at both source language and intermediate language also, of course. So wherever 3 there, that also cancel. Next one. I think in the available, wherever 3 there, that also cancel. So answer is going to be B, 1 and 4. Remember, there exists parsing algorithm for some programming languages whose complexities are less than n cube. Right? Most probably parsing algorithm will take, CYK algorithm will take n cube time. But there exist some programming languages which will take order of n cube. Less than order of n cube. It is possible. Please remember, by seeing this option, you can easily say, right? So option A is the correct option. So please take care. This statement, can you remember from this problem? Can you remember this? Otherwise, you can Google it out. You will find out some algorithm also. You find, right? Just Google it out. Parsing algorithm, time complexity. CYK algorithm, order of n cube. There exists some parsing algorithm, right, which will take less than n cube time. That is also there in the, right? You just Google it out, you will find out. Otherwise, can you at least remember that statement? Can you at least remember that statement? Yeah. If you okay, I can move to the next problem. If you okay, I can move to the next problem. Please let me know. Please let me know, do you have any doubt or not? Everyone, please let me know. Small doubt also there, let me know. There exists parsing algorithm for some programming languages whose complexities are less than n cube. Little doubt also. Ready, sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. From this problem, you have to learn only one thing. First point. Remaining, I think, normal. Remaining are normal. There exists parsing algorithm for some programming languages whose complexities are less than big O of n cube. Everyone try. Yeah, perfect. Let's move to next. Yeah, can you say what is the answer of this? It is a very interesting problem. Let's see how many people will give answer. It's a very interesting problem. Let's see everyone here. Everyone try this. Anyone? Yeah, let's see what is the problem. Let G be the CFG, right? L be the number of leftmost derivations. Let R be the number of rightmost derivations, and P be the number of parse trees. L is the leftmost derivations, R is the rightmost derivation, P is the number of parse trees. Assume L, R, and P are computed for a particular string. For a given CFG and a given string W, what is the relation between L, P, R? What is the answer? All three will be equal. Everyone know it is a very important point. It's a very important point. It's a very important point. For a given CFG and a given string W, what is the relation between L, P, R? Answer is right, second option. Right? It's a very important one. It's a very important. So please take care. It's a nice problem. Number of leftmost derivation trees is equal to number of rightmost derivation trees is equal to number of parse trees. If anyone don't know, please remember. If you don't know, please remember this. It's a very important one. In the classroom also, we discussed it. We discussed it in the classroom also. Yeah, let's move to next. What about this? What about this? Yeah, let's try this also. Let's try this also. Everyone try. Yeah, J, whatever you send, I seen. So in the backtracking, in the sense, there is no specific backtracking. So it will maintain few variables. It will maintain few variables, right? So suppose assume that one character already read extra. So just with the help of one or two variables, it get to know if anything extra it read or not. Maybe the person who is explaining, you want to say that backtracking in the sense, just some variables it will take, right? Suppose assume that I will give the example. I will give the example. Let us assume that triple plus. Let us assume that triple plus. Assume. So first it read the plus operator. It will read one more thing. It will read one more thing. Is it also matching? Yes. It will read little more extra also. It will add. Can I add next also? Can I add next also? Yes, you can add. Can I add next also? It will read this character. Can I add this or not? No, no. Then what happened? It is one token, right? This one will be used for further tokens. So it will always read some extra character, right? So if that extra character also, can I add in the previous token or not? Can I add that one in the previous token or not? It will verify. If at all you can add in the previous token, it will make it as one token. Otherwise, it will make it as two tokens. Right? Fine. It will make it as two tokens. Right. So I think that is the one. He will read some extra character. If it is useful for the previous one, he will use it. If not, he will use for the next one. You want to say it is a backtracking. Backtracking in the sense, just I think maintaining one or two extra variables. Other than this, nothing there. Right? Fine. Now come here. A programming language which does not permit global variables of any kind and has no nesting of procedure or functions, but permits recursion can be implemented with static storage allocation. A programming language which does not permit global variables of any kind and nesting of procedure or functions, but permits recursion can be implemented with static storage allocation. But permits recursion can be implemented static storage allocation. Wrong. Try your level best to get the maximum marks. Try your level best to get the maximum marks. Right? Don't leave. Try your level best to get the maximum marks. Right? After exam is over, you just discuss with me. Accordingly, you can do. Until GATE exam, you try your level best. Until GATE exam, you try your level best. Get as maximum marks as possible. Don't leave in between. Don't leave in between. After exam is over, we will discuss. Get maximum marks. So I think first statement, right? First statement is, but permits recursion can be implemented using static storage allocation. So I think one is wrong. One is wrong, right? Static and right, permits static and recursion no relation, right? Wherever one is there, cancel it. Wherever one is there, cancel it. 2. Multi-level access link arrangement is needed to arrange activation record only. Multi-level access link arrangement is needed to arrange activation records only if the programming language being implemented has nesting of procedure or functions. Multi-level access link arrangement is needed to arrange activation record only if the programming language being implemented has nesting of procedure and functions. Yeah, if you have doubt, keep that one as it is. Let's move next. So read all of them. Whenever given problem is a little bigger, you read all of them, you will get some clue. Don't stuck at one point itself. Recursion in programming languages cannot be implemented with dynamic storage. Remember, recursion will be implemented with stack also, dynamic storage allocation also. He's saying cannot be implemented. So wrong. So 1 and 3 wrong. Wherever 3 there, cancel. Wherever 3 there, cancel. Next one, 4. Nesting of procedure or functions and the recursion require dynamic heap storage allocation scheme and cannot be implemented with the stack-based allocation scheme. So I think 4 should be, what is the 4, right? 4, can you see the 4? Can you see the 4? Nesting of procedure or functions And recursion requires dynamic storage allocation, but cannot be implemented with the stack storage allocation. Stack and recursion possible. It is actually true. He is saying nesting cannot be. He is saying cannot be. That is the reason it is false. That is the reason it is false. He is saying cannot be. That is the reason it is false. If you go to the fifth one, programming languages which permits a function to return a function as a result cannot be implemented with the stack-based allocation scheme for activation record. Programming languages which permits a function to return a function as its results cannot be implemented with stack. Function returning a function. Multi-level access link arrangement is needed to arrange activation record only if the programming language being implemented has nesting of procedure or functions. So fifth one, multi-level access link arrangement is needed to arrange activation record only if the programming language nesting and multi-level. Yeah, you can say correct. See the fifth line. Programming languages which permits a function to return a function. Its result cannot be implemented with the stack-based allocation scheme for activation records. Function returning function. It is a function. Inside you are returning some other function. Return some function. Return some function address. So in the available one, right, I can simply say in the available one, I can simply say A is the better option in the available one, but see, check properly also. Programming languages which permits a function to return a function. As its results. So because function returning a function returning a right function as its result, because of those two will be popped out when you say stack, those two will be popped out. Function returning means pop. Return means pop, because of your popping out stack based allocation scheme, right, may not, right, not implemented, cannot be implemented. Is saying it is true because function returning a again function. When you say return, it is a popped. Popped means it is not there in the stack, but we want in the stack. But when you say it is already popped out, return, it may not be available. So that is the reason he's saying cannot be implemented with the stack based allocation scheme. So that may be the reason it is a true statement. But anyhow, you can do a little bit of research on that. Just Google it out. You may find out some data on that. In the available one, it is a better option. Function returning a function. When you say function returning means pop. Pop means out of the stack. One function returning another function. When you say return popped out, so it is not available in the stack. So he is saying that cannot be implemented with the stack. Right? In the available one, better one is, I think, option A. But however, you can do small research on the fifth option. Fifth option, you can do small research. Remember some keywords. You may be thinking, I know all these points and all. No, in the available option, we have some limited knowledge, right? Runtime environment, I said to you, approximately 20 to 30 points, I said. Whenever runtime environment chapter going on, 20 to 30 points, I said. Out of those 20 to 30, few points are given here. These are theoretical things. 20 to 30 points are, I said, please go through them once directly. Permits recursion implemented with static. Permits recursion can be implemented with static, no. So one is fail, wherever one is there, cancel. Next one, if you see the third option, recursion in programming language cannot be implemented with the dynamic storage allocation. No, can be implemented. Wherever 3 is there, right? Just cancel it. So you no need to read also further things. So in the available one, best one is option A. But however, you can do small work on that. Little bit of work you can do. Right? Fine. Now go to the next one. What about this? Which one of the following will give lexical error? Which one of the following will give lexical error? Which of the following will give lexical error? Can everyone try this? Which one of the following will give lexical error? So option A, void main within the brackets 123 plus 456. Option B, void main within the brackets 123 plus 4, right, 45A or 4SA. Next one, option C, void main within the brackets, right, 1A3 plus 456. Option D, void main 1A3 plus 45A. Yeah, can you try? What is the answer? Which one of the following will give lexical error? Everyone can try. Try everyone. Which of the following will give lexical error? Will give lexical error. So I think if you see this one, it is a constant. It is also constant. Adding to constant, no problem. You don't give error. Next one, 123, starting with a digit. So you will give error. So 1A3 starting with a digit, you will give error. Next one, void main starting with a digit. It will also give error. So answer is BCD. BCD will give error. BCD will give error. B also. B also, na? See, in the B also there is a 4 starting with a digit. In the B also starting with a digit J. So I think B also. BCD. BCD will give error. It will give lexical error. BCD. Yeah, I think it's a nice problem to the MSQ. Yeah, let's move to next problem. Can you try this one? Consider the following grammar. So this is the grammar. Consider the following grammar. This is the grammar. Consider the following grammar. This is the grammar. First of yes, same as. First of yes, same as. First of yes, same as. Yeah, can you try this? From right in the given grammar, what is first of yes? So I think first of yes is same as, means you have to indirectly find out. Indirectly they are asking what is first of yes, what is first of B, what is first of A. Is asking first of everyone. Indirectly is asking first of everyone. Can you calculate? Is indirectly asking first of everyone. Question is what is first of S? But indirectly asking what is first of everyone. Everyone try. Everyone try. So let's try. Let's try here. What is first of S? Right? I'm trying. What is first of S? First of S is first of B. First of S is first of B. First of S is first of B. So let's find out what is first of B. First of S is first of B. What is first of B? Go there. First of D. What is the first of D? So open bracket and ID. So first of D is open bracket ID because of no epsilon, no problem. So first of B is first of D. So first of B is first of D. I think first of S is here open bracket ID. First of S is first of B. First of B is first of D. First of D is open bracket ID. Okay, that is okay. Now let's see what is the first of B. Let's see what the first of B. First of B is first of D. First of D is open bracket and ID. First of B is first of D. First of D is going to be open bracket and ID. Okay, that's fine. That is okay. Be okay. Some people are asking, sir, what is the first of A, sir? Let's check first of A. First of A is equal to first of B. Everyone understand. First of A is equal to first of B epsilon also. Epsilon also will come. Because of here epsilon is coming, no need to bother. Don't take it. First of A is first of B, comma, epsilon, but you don't have epsilon. So that is the reason B is cancelled. Let's go to first of C. What is the first of C? First of C is equal to star operator, star. So no need to calculate. Because in our answer, there is no star. What about first of D? Let's check. First of D is equal to open bracket ID. So open bracket and ID. I think answer is A, right? Option A also, option D also. Answer is option A also, option D also. Please check. Answer is option A also, option D also. A, D. Let me know if I am wrong. Let me know if I am wrong. What is first of D? First of D is open bracket ID. First of B also means first of D, open bracket ID. First of S means first of B. That is also same story. Let me know if we done anything wrong. Answer is AD. Answer is AD. Let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. This is the next problem. Yeah, try now. Symbol table modified during which phase of a compiler? Symbol table modified during which phase of a compiler? Everyone know right? Symbol table. Anyone can modify. Symbol table, all the pages, right? All the people can modify. Lexical also, syntax also, semantic also, all the people. So answer is C. If all is there, go for all. If all is there, go for all. Answer is both A and B. If all is there, go for all. Right? Fine. Next one. Match the following. Match the following. Yeah. Can you try this? Can you match it? Match the following. Everyone can try this. Match the following. Lexical means tokens. Tokens means DFA. DFA. Lexical means tokens. Tokens purpose regular expression. Regular expression means minimum, right? DFA minimization. So I think P2. Yeah, it's perfect. P2. Next one. Register allocation. Graph coloring. How many colors are there? Those many registers. How many colors are there? Those many registers. So there is some link up is there. Register allocation, graph coloring. So R1. I think this also cancel. This also cancel. Answer is either A or C. Let's go further. Expression evolution. Post order traversal. Expression evolution. Post order traversal. Postfix evolution. Post order traversal is nothing but expression evolution. S3. Next one. Parsing productions. Parser means grammar. Q4. I think C. C is the answer. Q4. C is the answer. Right? I think perfect. Let's go to next. Which one of the following statement not having syntax error? Can you try this? Which of the following statements not having syntax error? Can you verify? Everyone can try this. Which of the following statement not having syntax error? Can you verify this? Try everyone. What is the answer? Which of the following statements not having syntax error? Yeah, let me share 1 second. Sorry for that. Yeah. Which of the following statement not having syntax error? Can everyone try? Not having syntax error. I think everyone know. See this one. C language is case sensitive. If is different. So please careful. So here if is A, right? Variable or identifier. Here if is an identifier, here if is a keyword, here keyword. Here if is a keyword, here it is going to be identifier. Identifier means something like variable or function. It is a function. It is a function now. So if a function call, I think it's possible. Not having syntax error. Option A don't have syntax error because it is a function. And one more, if you understand here once again, F is a. F is a capital letter. Capital letter. Again, it is also a function. P comma Q comma R. It is also a function. It is also correct. Here also W is a capital letter. Here while is a function. While a comma, right? A comma B semicolon. This is also correct. Answer is A, B, C, correct. Right? Which one of the following statement not having syntax error? A, B, C don't have syntax error. A, B, C don't have syntax error. Which of the following statement not having syntax error? A, B, C don't have syntax error. Remember, capital letter different in C language, small letter is different. So C language is a case sensitive. C language is a case sensitive language. Right? So because of that reason, if became a function, for became a function, while became a function. Actually, if is a keyword, for is a keyword, while is a keyword, but because of you kept a capital, they became function. They became function. I hope everyone ABC is the correct one. ABC is the correct one. Right. Now I want to say one important thing to everyone. Now I want to say one important thing to everyone. Everyone I want to say to you. So you have only 20 days, 23 days maybe, 25 days, yeah, 23 days. You have approximately 23 days, right? In the EPT RIC course, approximately 3,500 questions are there, quality questions, 3,500 quality questions. You can see every subject. You can see every subject 2 or 3 days. You can see every subject 2 or 3 days. Every subject 300 questions are there. Right? Every subject 300 questions are there. So, right? So, totally 3,500 quality questions. Right? Rank improvement course you can join. You can study every subject 2 or 3 days. Full length test followed by RIC course. Full length test followed by RIC course. It will improve your rank. Full length test followed by RIC course will improve your rank. So answer for this one is Answer for this one is A, B, C. Let's go to next. Find number of tokens in the following program. Yeah, can you try? How many tokens are there? Find number of tokens in the following program. Can you count how many tokens? Everyone try. Find out how many tokens. I think it's a very simple problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, till now 9. 10, 11. Remember, here gap will come. Here gap, don't count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 tokens. 20 tokens. 20 tokens. The purpose of this one is see, comment. Comment is nothing but space. Comment is nothing but space. Comment is nothing but space. Right. Next one. Find out. Find number of terminals present in follow of S. Find the number of terminals present in follow of S of the grammar. This is the grammar. In this grammar, follow of S contain how many terminals? Remember, epsilon is neither terminal nor variable. It is a special person. Epsilon is neither variable or nor terminal. It is a special person. You will say in the problem, in the exam, you will say, right, find the number of terminal excluding epsilon, including epsilon, like that you will say, because of epsilon is a special person. So now I think if you want, I will write. Find the number of terminals present in follow of S of this grammar. Right? Remember, S is neither variable, epsilon is neither variable nor terminal. Epsilon is a special person, neither variable nor terminal. In examination, you will say clearly, excluding epsilon, including epsilon, like that. You no need to count epsilon here. If epsilon is present, so don't count it. Find the number of terminals present in the follow of S. Yeah, let's see one by one. Follow of S. Follow of S is equal to everyone know follow never contain epsilon. Everyone know this, so there is no content, there is no problem at all. Follow of S. Follow never contain epsilon. So follow of S, because of start symbol, dollar will be there. Follow of S is equal to go right side, wherever S is there, calculate. Wherever S is there, calculate. So follow of S is equal to follow of S, no use. Follow of S is equal to closed bracket. Next one, follow of S is equal to first of S. Follow of S is equal to first of S. First of S is equal to open bracket. Open bracket. At epsilon also, because of epsilon, don't take, go further. So follow of S. Answer is going to be these three people. You try whatever way you want. If anyone is not getting, just learn, follow how to find out. Many examples we done in the class also. We done many examples in the class. Follow of S is because of start symbol dollar. Right after S, closed bracket is there. Follow of S is first of right hand side, closed bracket. Follow of S is first of S. First of S contain open bracket also. And epsilon, right, because of it is a follow, you cannot write epsilon. Go right side further not possible. Then go to the parent, follow of S. So answer is dollar, closed bracket, open bracket. Answer is 3. Find the number of terminals present in follow of S. Answer is 3. Sir, can you, sorry to interrupt, sir, can you please define the meaning of your token once in a previous question? Yeah, I think answer this one I done, so 3 is the answer. Let's go further. Yeah, find number of tokens. Find number of tokens. 20 tokens. 20 tokens. So token is nothing but a collection of character. Token is nothing but a collection of character, which can signify something. In that particular programming language. If you see main is a function name. Next one, into, I think it's a data type. Next one, x, which is a variable. So right, I'm repeating once again. Token is a collection of character which will signify one of the maybe identifier, maybe data type, maybe keyword, maybe operators. So like that. It is a collection of character, right? It is a collection of character which will signify, right, one of the thing present in the programming language. Maybe that may be belongs to variables, belongs to functions, belongs to operators, belongs to keywords. So like that. Total 20 tokens. Yeah, Akash, let me know if you have doubt. It is one token. It is the second token, third token, fourth token, fifth token, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, ninth one, 10th one, 11th one, 12th one, 31, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 20. Akash, let me know if you have doubt. Next one. Can you see this one? The minimum number of temporary variables created in 3 address code of the following expression are. The minimum number of temporary variables created in 3 address code of the following expression are. Assume order of the precedence from left to highest to lowest as this is the highest one, this is the next one, this is the next one. Consider associativity for plus, minus, and star are left to right associativity. So he is given, see, whatever priorities he is given, we have to follow. First star highest priority, plus, next one minus. First star, next plus, next minus. Consider left to right associativity for all these 3 people. So these priorities you have to use. These priorities and these associativity you have to use. So I will try one by one. So because of he mentioned priorities and all, I will execute once. Can you see this one? First star. So he will be done. Okay. Next one plus. But if 2 plus there, left to right associativity. So this. Right? Remember, plus is the highest priority. Afterwards, this. And 2 minus. Left to right associativity. You should do this. Afterward, this minus. Please check. Am I done rounding properly or not? Verify. First to B star C. Next to B star C. Afterwards, A plus B star C. Again, right? Afterwards, plus D. Afterwards, A plus B star C. Now see one by one. I am trying to do. So B star C in one temporary variable I will do. T1. Remember minimum number of temporary variables required. T1 is equal to B star C. I done. Next one. Let's see this one. A plus T1 is equal to A plus T1 is equal to T1. I don't want to use new variable. I will use old one because B star C may not be required further. If not required, you can reuse it. So T1 is equal to B star C. A plus T1 is equal to T1. Now B star C gone. An interesting thing is this is T1. This is also T1. You no need to recalculate again. Afterwards, right? If you see afterwards, T1 plus D is equal to T2. Right? Next one. T2 minus E is equal to T2. Because we don't use again, so you can replace. Lastly, I think you got this is T2. You got also. Lastly, you have to do T2 minus T1. Means T1 means this. Is equal to T2. You can reuse again. Whenever no use, you can replace. It is not a static single assignment. It is not SSA. It is intermediate code. You can replace. If you think that there is no use, you can replace again and again. I think two. You can go for more variables also, but because of he's asking minimum, you can go like this also. The minimum number of temporary variables created in 3 address code of the following expression are. Fine. Can we go further? Yeah, you can increase also, no problem. You can increase also, no problem. 2, if 2 is there, select 2. If 2 not there, go for 3. 3 not there, go for 4. They are also correct. Without changing the meaning, can you allocate the temporary variables? Without changing the meaning, can you allocate? Because if he's asking minimum, I try to decrease. It is not SSA. SSA means left hand side, you cannot use the same person more than one time. SSA means left hand side, same person you cannot use more than one time. SSA means left hand side, same person don't use more than one time. But if it is SSA, every time left hand side, keep the new person. SSA, every time left hand side, keep the new person. Yeah, can you go to next? Answer for this problem is 2. If anyone say 2 not, 3 also correct, 4 also, but minimum is asking, so I went for 2. Yeah, can you try this? Consider 2 binary operators, right? Upward, right? Upward arrow, downward arrow. Up arrow, down arrow. Consider 2 binary operators, up arrow, down arrow. With the precedence of operator down is lower. Down is lower, okay? Let's see this one. With the precedence of operator down being lower than that of the operator up. Up is up means more, down is down. Down means less. Next one. Operator up is right associative, while operator down is left associative. So this is the expression. Remember, up arrow having right associative, down arrow having left associative. If you okay, whatever conditions he mentioned. So let's see first. Let me round it first. Up arrow having highest priority. So I think 2 up arrows. But up arrow having right to left associated. So it should be done first. Next it will be done. Next down arrow will be done. Down, if you see, left associated, while down is the left associated. So this will be done down first. Next one, this. If you are okay with the rounding, problem is over. Rounding, you are okay. Problem is over. First remember 4 power 3. 4 power 3. Wherever is there in the tree, please check. 4 power 3. Bottom people will be done. 4 power 3. 4 power 3. Remember 3 power 4 different, 4 power 3 different. So this cannot be. This cannot be. This cannot be. Directly R, B is the answer. Right? First 4 power 3. Afterward 3 power 4. This one first. This one next. Down people will be done. Afterwards 7 down this. Okay. Afterwards this one down 2. Yes, exactly B. Exactly B. Exactly B. Exactly B. It's a very simple, very simple. Just round it first. Whatever rounding done, similar way tree there are not verify. Whatever rounding you done, similar way tree there are not verify. Yeah, one I think only directly B is matching. It's a perfect. Can you go here? Which of the following is a token in C language? Which of the following is a token in C language? Which of the following is a token in C language? I'm repeating once again. Which of the following is a token in C language? I think semicolon is a token. Identifier is a token. Keyword is a token. Constant is a token. So answer is A, B, C, D. All are tokens. Which of the following is a token in C language? Semicolon is a token. Identifier is a token. Keyword is a token. Constant is a token. So A, B, C, D is the answer for this. A, B, C, D is the answer for this. Go to the next one. S goes to epsilon or A. Right? One grammar is given. Grammar G is given as S goes to epsilon or A. Grammar G is given as S goes to epsilon or A. Then grammar G is. Then what is the grammar G? I think let's see this. So E will goes to first of this. E will goes to A column. Okay. Next one, because of this one, follow of S. Follow of S is dollar. So this will goes to dollar. This will goes to dollar column. So one will goes to A column, another one will goes to dollar column. I think it is LL1. LL1 means LR1 also. It is a LR1. CLR1 means LR1. When you say LL1, it is a LR1 also. When you say LL1, it is a LR1 also. You know very well how to verify LL1. You know very well how to verify it is a LL1 or not. It is a LL1 means it is a LR1 also. Right now, what about the other options are? You have to check. What about other options are? You have to check. Let me check roughly. S dash goes to dot S. S dash goes to dot S. Because of dot S, S goes to dot epsilon means dot. Dot A. This is I0. On I0 state, single, right? On I0 state, if I give S only one person, no use. On I0 state, if I give single A, S goes to A dot. That is also fine. Until only one production, there is no use. Okay, leave it. Now come here. In the I0 state, if you observe, in the I0 state, if you observe, right, this is the completed person. This is not completed person. Not completed person on terminal. Shift entry. Completed person everywhere reduce. So everywhere reduce at the A shift there. So LR0 fail. LR0 fail. Everywhere, see, everywhere reduce. In that row, in the I0 row, because of is completed, everywhere you will write R1, 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 everywhere you write. But there is a shift entry at A. So at the A shift entry, reduce entry everywhere. At A, there is a SR conflict. At A, there is a SR conflict. So LR0, it is not LR0 because SR conflict is there. Some people are asking, sir, what about SLR1, sir? Let's see. What is the SLR1? Whenever reduce happen, don't write everywhere. Don't write everywhere. Follow of S place, right? Reduce. Follow of S is only dollar. So remember, it will goes to dollar. It will goes to A and dollar. It is a SLR1. It is a SLR1. It is a SLR1, but not LR0. Answer is A, C, D. Answer is A correct, C correct, D correct. You can verify. You know very well how to verify. You know, if anyone don't know how to verify, please my suggestion. Right? So see the parser chapter one time. 20 problems we done. We done 20 problems. Not one problem, two problem. We done 20 problems. This is SLR1, but not LR0. But it is LL1 also, CLR1 also. Yeah, let's complete this problem also. Let's complete this problem also. Let the number of non-terminals in first of Z is A plus 1. Let number of non-terminals in follow of Y is B plus 1. Then what is A plus B? First of all, find out what is first of Z, what is follow of Z. Calculate first. What is first of Z? Calculate. Remember, including epsilon. Because epsilon is neither a variable nor a terminal, right? So he mentioned including epsilon. He mentioned including epsilon, right? So you have to count also. If epsilon is there, count it. Let A plus 1 will be the number of non-terminals in the first of Z. Let B plus 1 will be the number of non-terminals in the follow of Y. Then what is A plus B? Let's find out first of Z. Calculate what is the first of Z. Let's check. First of Z. Where is Z here? First of Z is equal to first epsilon. First of Z is equal to epsilon. Next one, first of Q. Go to the Q. First of Q is equal to epsilon already there. First of Y. Go to the Y. First of Y is equal to open bracket ID. Right? First of Z is first of Q. First of Q is first of Y. Right? First of Y. First of Y is equal to open bracket ID. But remember, first of Q contain epsilon also. If you keep epsilon, you have to go here also. First of Z. First of Z calling first of Z, there is no use. So finally, epsilon open bracket ID. Epsilon open bracket ID. So this can be written as 2 plus 1. So A value 2. A value 2. So if it is 3, So 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, first of Z already we done. Let's go follow of Y. Be careful with everyone, follow of Y. In the classroom, I explained so clearly. In the classroom, I explained so clearly how to find out follow of Y. How to find out follow, right? Follow, many times I explained. In the classroom, anyhow, I will do one time. I will do follow of Y one time. Everyone observe how to find out follow of Y. First of all, identify where is Y. Two places. Follow of Y is first of Q. Follow of Y is first of Q. What is the first of Q? First of Q is equal to, right, this and this. Right? So let's see. But remember everyone, follow never contain epsilons. Right? So follow of Y is first of Q. First of Q is equal to first of YQ. That is okay. Epsilon anyhow no use, so let me write now epsilon. So let's see this one. So because of follow of Y is first of Q, first of Q is giving epsilon. If I keep epsilon further not there, follow of T also, follow of T also, right? So let's see one by one. So what is the first of Y? First of Y, if you go open bracket ID, there is no problem, right? There is no problem. Now follow of T. What is the follow of T? What is the follow of T? So follow of Y is this one we done. I think we got open bracket ID. Because of epsilon, I got the follow of T also. That is okay. So I think this is the place we done. Now let's see this also. Follow of Y is equal to first of Q. Same story. Follow of Y is equal to first of Q. Same story. There is no further. So follow of T we have to calculate. Follow of T is first of Z. First of Z is, I think we are already done. First of Z is follow of T. Let me write now. Follow of T is first of Z. First of Z. Epsilon is there. Okay. Right? Epsilon is there. It's okay. Follow of Z. Follow of T is first of Z. First of Z contain epsilon. Okay. Right? One more thing is first of Q. First of Q. First of Z. First of Z contain epsilon. I think we are already done. First of Z already we done. So let me write now. Epsilon open bracket ID. So because of this epsilon, follow of S also, which is dollar. So this epsilon gone. C already there, D already there. C already there, D already there. Now if you observe clearly, open bracket will be there, ID there, dollar also there. Is there anything else? So, and one more thing is follow of S, closed bracket also there. So be careful, this is a very, very important one. So open bracket ID, dollar, closed bracket. Open bracket ID, dollar, closed bracket. So careful everyone. This will goes to 3 plus 1, 4. So A is 2, B is 3, 2 plus 3, 5. If anyone didn't get, please take care of this. Follow of Y is, right, this much. Follow of Y contain, open bracket ID, dollar, close the bracket. Right, next one. First of Z is epsilon, open bracket ID, 3. So first of Z is 3. Follow of Y is 4. 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. 3 can be written as 2 plus 1. So A plus B becomes 2 plus 3, which is 5. It's a very tricky problem. So follow of Z becomes a little tricky. Please verify one time. Follow of Y. First of Q is epsilon. First of Q contain epsilon. Because of epsilon, compensation is follow of T. Follow of T is, if you see the follow of T is follow of Y. Sorry, follow of T is, sorry, so I'm repeating one second. Sorry for that. Again, I'm repeating. So follow of y is first of q. Follow of y is first of q. Right? First of q because of epsilon, follow of t also. What is the follow of t? Follow of t is first of z. First of z already we have, so substitute. So there is no confusion also, nothing. Simply first and follow, yeah. Simply first and follow. Simply first and follow. I am not saying anything here. I cannot teach first and follow now. In the classroom, 2 or 3 classes I explained. 2 or 3 classes I explained how to find out first, how to find out follow. 2 or 3 classes I explained. So careful everyone. So I think it's going to be right. First of z is 2 plus 1. Follow of y is going to be 3 plus 1. Totally a plus b is 2 plus 3, which is 5. So follow of y is open bracket id dollar closed bracket. Next one, first of z is epsilon c epsilon open bracket id. Perfect. We done many problems today. So please take care. Many problems we done. Approximately 20 problems we done. In the tomorrow's class, we'll see some more problems. But remember, rank improvement course. Remember everyone, rank RIC course. It is the best for remaining 20 days. 3,500 quality questions are there. For every subject, 300 questions. Every subject 300 questions. I think it will take to you maybe 2 or 3 days. 2 or 3 days you can finish it off. Each subject 300 questions are there. 300 questions are there. 2 or 3 days you can finish it off. Like that, 13 subjects. Followed by simultaneously you do full length also. Full length test also simultaneously you can do. So if you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp us. We are going to help you. That is the one thing. This is a WhatsApp number. And go to ExamPrepTool.com. From there, RIC course. If you want to join, you can join. It's up to you. Next one, you can use the code EPT 595 capital A RG. You can use this code. You will get the discount. Approximately, you will get the 50% discount. 50% discount you may get. You may get 50% discount. You can utilize it. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Fine. Perfect.